Let's solve this calculus problem step by step. We need to find the first and second derivatives of a function. Let's start with our given function. Y equals the natural log of x divided by x. To find the first derivative, we'll use the quotient rule. The quotient rule states that the derivative of u over v equals v times the derivative of u minus u times the derivative of v, all over v squared. In our case, u equals natural log of x and v equals x. The derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, and the derivative of x is 1. Now, let's apply the quotient rule. We get x times 1 over x minus natural log of x times 1 all over x squared. Simplifying this expression, x times 1 over x equals 1. So we get 1 minus natural log of x over x squared. Now for the second derivative, we need to differentiate this expression again. We'll use the quotient rule again, but this time with u equals 1 minus natural log of x, and v equals x squared. The derivative of 1 minus natural log of x is negative 1 over x, and the derivative of x squared is 2x. Applying the quotient rule gives us this expression. Let's simplify this step by step. First, x squared times negative 1 over x equals negative x. Then, distributing the 2x gives us negative 2x plus 2x natural log of x. Combining like terms in the numerator gives us x times 2 natural log of x minus 3. And there we have it. We've found both the first and second derivatives of our original function. Let's review our answers. The first derivative is 1 minus natural log of x over x squared, and the second derivative is 2 natural log of x minus 3 over x cubed.